In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in Teams. By the end, you'll have Miro embedded right inside a Microsoft Teams channel so your team can brainstorm, plan, and co-create without switching apps. I'll walk you through adding the Miro tab, signing in, and choosing the board you want everyone to see. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the specific team and channel where you want Miro to live. Think about where collaboration naturally happens for your group, perhaps a project channel or a space your stakeholders already use. That way, the Miro board will be easy for everyone to find alongside your conversations and files. Next, add Miro as a tab in that channel. At the top of the channel, you'll see a row of tabs like Posts and Files. Click the plus sign to add a new tab. A window will open with a list of apps. Use the search bar to look for Miro, then select it and click Add. This places Miro as a dedicated tab in the channel, making it a single click away for the whole team. If you don't see Miro in the list, your organization might need to enable it, so check with your admin. When the Miro tab loads for the first time, you may be prompted to log in, sign into your Miro account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account directly from that prompt. Some organizations use single sign-on, so you might be logged in automatically. The goal here is simple. Connect your Teams session to your Miro profile so you can access your boards from within Teams. Once you're signed in, choose the board you want to display in the tab. You'll see your available Miro boards. Pick the one your team needs to work on. Selecting the right board means everyone who opens this tab will land on the same shared canvas. If you're deciding between options, choose the board that's already aligned to your current project or meeting and make sure it's one the team has access to in Miro. That's it. Your Miro board is now part of your channel. From here, teammates can open the tab to view and collaborate in real time right inside Teams. Keep the tab name clear so it's easy to spot and let your team know it's ready. If something doesn't load, refresh the tab or confirm you're signed in. With Miro in Teams, you can keep discussion, decisions, and visuals in one place, making your workflows smoother and your meetings more productive.